In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Formatter by Zapier, an essential tool for automating your workflows effectively. Whether you're new to Zapier or looking to explore its features further, this guide will help you grasp the basics of using the Formatter within Zapier. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to Zapier's main website. Zapier is an incredible platform designed to facilitate automation across various apps and workflows, significantly simplifying your tasks. Once you're on the website, you'll notice the Login option at the top right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up. But for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have one. Logging in will take you to the Zapier homepage, where you can organize and manage your different automation projects, also known as Zaps. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Zaps section. This is the hub of all your automation activities. Clicking on Zaps will take you to a list of your current Zaps if you have any set up already. If you want to create a new Zap, you'll typically start here. Select one of your existing Zaps or choose to create a new one, and you'll be directed to the setup page where all the action happens. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is click on App, which is typically the first block of your Zap. This block allows you to choose the app where you want to either pull data from or send data to. Within this section, you will find various apps that you can integrate with your workflow. Scroll through and find the app you're interested in. Or if you're setting this up new from scratch, you'll be looking to click on Formatter. Formatter by Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to transform and format your data seamlessly as it moves through your workflows. Let's delve into that by clicking on Formatter. Formatter opens up various options, such as numbers, dates, and text, that you can manipulate according to your needs. Think of it as a versatile Swiss Army knife for your data. Formatter can reformat dates, extract text, and even perform simple math functions. This versatility is the reason Formatter is a go-to tool when creating Zaps that need some data customization. For instance, if you're pulling a date in a specific format and need it in another for your end app, the Formatter can handle this with ease. With Formatter, it's all about experimenting and finding the right fit for your specific needs. Now you're ready to create smarter, more efficient Zaps that work precisely how you want them to. So go ahead, explore, and don't be afraid to try different settings or combinations to see what suits your workflow best. Keep optimizing and automating, and you'll truly harness the power of Zapier to streamline your processes and boost productivity.